Hello everyone and welcome to a new video, and today I'm going to show you how to stabilize a video in Premiere Pro. It's very easy and simple. All you have to do is to follow my steps, and before we begin, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe and turn on the notifications. Now here, as you can see, I have here my own video. As you can see now, it's a little bit shaking. It has a shaking camera inside the scene. So what I can do is to simply use a specific effect in order to stabilize the shaking camera in the video. So now let's get into this option right here, effects. Then what you should do right now is to simply go to this partition on the right side, then scroll down till you find video effects, tap on this arrow, then go down till you find the stored option right here, tap on the arrow beside it. Then what you should do right now is to simply click on this effect, warp stabilizer. Then you should drag it like this and put it into your scene. And now here, as you can see, after adding it, you can simply click on the effects control up right here. And now it's actually doing like a processing in order to apply the effect on your scene. So how long does this processing take? It depends on many factors, including the video length, your PC specs, and also the resolution or the quality of the video. And you can also click on this button right here, analyze, in order to analyze automatically. So now let's click on editing right here, just in order to remove all these stuff on the right side. And now here, as you can see, you have some options in the warp stabilizer effect. Now you have this option right here, result. You have smooth motion or no motion. If you have a moving video, you can simply choose smooth motion, especially if the camera is moving from one side to another. So here in our videos, the camera is moving to the right side, as you can see, a little bit to the right side and a little bit to the left side. But now the result is much more better. But let me now choose no motion in order to try to see if it will stabilize the video or not. Now I have chosen no motion. As you can see, it's well stabilized. It has no motion literally. And now let's get back to this option and click on smooth motion. Here you have this option, smoothness. You can simply adjust it as you want. Let's make it 60, for example. You can adjust it in order to get the final result that you want. So when you actually decrease this number to 10%, it won't actually be good, and it will also have the same shaking effect. So you can simply adjust it till you get the final result that you want. And here you have also another option, which is called the method. And here you have many options: position, scale, rotation, and perspective. Sometimes when you use the subspace warp, it may cause the video to be a little bit different on these sides. You may have these objects distorted or something. So you can choose another option or another method. So I will choose position, for example. Then here, as you can see, it will also give me a good result. And be careful whenever you add or do some modifications to these options. This will take a couple of minutes in order to apply the effect, so your PC might be some laggy. Now let's see our video right now. This is the video with the effect, and now let's remove the effect and see how different does it looks. So I'm gonna click on effects control right here. Then I'm gonna simply click on toggle the effect off by clicking on this option right here. Now let's see the video again. Here, as you can see, you can simply notice the difference. It looks here so shaky, but when I apply the effect, it looks much more stabilized. And that's all for today. Thanks for watching, and see you in a new video.